Hi, I'm Richa Goswami, Director of Green Valley Group, Guwahati.
Hi Richa, good evening. You're a winner tonight. How do you feel about this?
Extremely happy, extremely happy to win this award and to get awards like this are a testament that my work is being recognized and whatever work I'm doing is doing well in the industry. So yes, feeling very happy and excited.
That's a really sweet answer, Richa. What's the one change you believe will redefine the Indian automotive industry in the next decade?
I think inclusivity, just if you look at my example, like everybody thinks automobile is a very male dominated word. So tonight, me and there are, I think, two other ladies who have won. So this is the change that we are seeing. And because women also bring in lots of other changes in the industry. So yes, this is, I think, one change which will bring a change in the industry. Yeah.
Lovely. If I ask you what's one policy change you'd like to see that could accelerate innovation in the auto sector, what would it be?
Means today also during the panel discussion, everybody was talking about the electric mobility. So change towards means easy adaptation of electric mobility. I think that is something which I would like to see, which will help move the industry towards ahead. Yeah.
If I ask you to describe the industry, the future of this industry in three words, what would it be?
Sustainability. Mm, three words, right? Sustainability, inclusivity, and fast-paced change.
One rapid fire round for you, Richa. Your dream car.
Audi.
One EV you'd like to own right now.
The Audi EV. I'm a dealer of Audi, so I have bias towards it. Yeah.
Petrol, diesel, hybrid, or electric? What's your pick for today?
For today, petrol, but future electric,
Manual or automatic? Which do you enjoy more?
automatic.
One automotive brand you admire apart from the one you own right now.
Apart from, I own Audi, Mahindra, and Yamaha. If I can say these three, apart from these, Tata Motors.
Favorite driving destination in India?
I have not driven much, so I don't know, but I think I would like to go to Ladakh, drive. I'm from Guwahati, Assam, so I would like to do a drive from there to Ladakh. Yeah.
A car feature you can't live without.
Uh, mm, I don't know much about that. I don't drive much, so I don't know. Yeah.
Somebody say music, please. I'm just waiting for it. Okay. If
Fine music.
okay,
It's
yeah.
not. Yeah, fine
Obviously,
music of it,
obviously.
right?
I'm putting
Yeah.
words in your mouth right now. Okay. If you could test drive any concept car in the world, which one would it be?
Uh, I think just few days back, Audi launched one. It's the C something, and I would really like to do that. Yeah, yeah, the one.
ICE to EV in 2030. Reality or wishful thinking?
Uh, Reality, but not in 2030. It will be longer than 2030. Yes.
Thank you so much for your time, Richard. It was lovely talking to you. Thank you.